Bamboo chicken and green bean porridge, cooling food for summer. A culinary masterpiece with a unique combination of traditional flavors and family secrets. Have you ever imagined the blend of fragrant bamboo chicken, complex and fatty green beans in a warm bowl of porridge? In 1 minute, you will be immersed in the seductive aroma of tender bamboo chicken and pink green beans, mixed with the rich flavors of green onions and coriander along with crispy fragrant spring rolls. This is not only a delicious meal but also a special culinary experience. An opportunity for you to connect and share with loved ones. This dish is also a great way to cool down and provide energy to the body on hot days. The combination of protein-rich chicken and fiber-rich green beans along with spices will bring a pleasant and refreshing feeling, helping you welcome summer in the most comfortable and refreshing way. Invite your friends over and enjoy the special flavor of bamboo chicken porridge cooked with green beans together this summer.
Ingredients to prepare: 2 ready-made bamboo chickens. Wash with diluted salt water and drain lemon. 1 cup of sticky rice, 1 cup of washed green beans. Soak green beans for 20 minutes. 1/2 banana, 1/2 purple cabbage, 1 carrot. Wash everything, peel and shred to create a salad plate with coriander leaves on top. Partly cut green onions and partly finely cut coriander. Fish sauce, black pepper, pink salt, brown sugar and other spices according to family taste.
Prepare the chicken, boil water, add 2 bamboo chickens, season with a little salt, fish sauce, rock sugar, then lower the heat and cook until the chicken is tender, about 20 minutes. Take the chicken out, let it cool and shred it. Bite-sized pieces. Cooking green beans and rice. Put green beans and sticky rice in the pot with previously boiled chicken broth. Simmer and stir until green beans and rice are tender. Add salt and pepper according to personal taste.
Enjoy. Finally, before turning off the stove, add fresh cilantro, green onions, and coriander to the porridge to add flavor and color. A hot bowl of green bean porridge with crispy spring rolls and fragrant pieces of bamboo chicken is a great choice to share and enjoy with friends. This dish is also a great way to cool down and provide energy to the body on hot days. The combination of protein-rich chicken and fiber-rich green beans along with spices will bring a pleasant and refreshing feeling, helping you welcome summer in the most comfortable and refreshing way. Invite your friends over and enjoy together the special flavor of bamboo chicken porridge cooked with green beans this summer. A delicious and nutritious meal, as well as memorable moments, await you and your loved ones. See you again in the upcoming meals.